Some of you may know that I'm a mountain bike coach. Most of the time, I'm just coaching people on how to do the fundamental things of really getting started or starting to get better. But Brandon here, he's a mountain bike coach too, and sometimes he coaches me without even knowing it. He's obviously much younger than me, and one of the things I've found with older riders in general, myself included, is we're not as dynamic on the bike as we should be. We don't move as much or as often as we should. We may feel like we are, but in reality we're not. So I thought I'd put some clips together to show some examples of what I'm talking about. To be fair to Brandon, this is his first time riding here in quite a while, and some of these trails in a long time. And most of these passes are our first run through. He didn't get to stay very long. It was also coming off pretty hard freeze thaw, so it was very muddy and slick in spots. Some spots where I was uncomfortable, but as usual, youth is not as scared as old man, and he just rode right through without a big deal, making me wonder if I should have just went faster. If you pay attention to Brandon, you'll notice he's way more active on the bike than me, and most people, to be fair, he's very active. But you'll see he'll do manuals and pre-hops and all these things too, and a lot of it's for fun, but a lot of it generates and builds speed. And to be honest with you, when I ride behind him, I naturally start doing more of that myself. Nothing like he does, but it is a way to build speed, and it takes a lot more fitness to do it as well too, I'm noticing.
That was way better than yesterday. Oh my God.
And here on double wide, I wasn't trusting the grip in the corners, which affected my roll speed, which led me to not do the step up and the big double before the whoops on double wide. When he did, he just went, and I should have went too. As a heavier rider, I know that I will roll faster than most people, especially when gravity's taking effect. It's a known thing. But it's something that I'm trying to be conscious of and be careful with. Sometimes I won't ride with younger kids because they're so much lighter, and it's hard for me to maintain my distance, my spacing. I'm trying to follow Brandon real close through our first lap here on senior discount, but I did get a little too close for my comfort and had to back off down before the original carpet jump.
Step down before the big step up is not a step down no more.
Just rolls?
It's like a little table roller. It's nothing. Yeah. But it was like a kind of substantial step down.
And here I almost messed up the spacing thing again on air supply.
Oh God.
Okay, let me give some space before we get down here to this big step up. Here's a clip that I thought was super cool. I couldn't imagine being able to pull something like this off. I'm always studying my footage after I ride. I'm trying to learn and figure out things I'm doing wrong, which is pretty easy to do. And I thought I'd put this together. This is something a little different than my normal. And if you watched this far, I really appreciate it. I hope you got something out of it, or at least something to think about, or maybe even entertained. And we're going to get back riding again real soon. I do have a couple trips planned. I do have a small injury that we'll see how that goes. It may affect it, it may not, but maybe. We'll see you there.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought.